Listen, I need you to hear this with an open mind. A lot of people are running around saying email marketing is dead. They say nobody opens emails anymore. They say it is too complicated, too competitive, and too slow. They even say you've got to be a kind of poetic copywriting wizard before you can even get someone to click or read your email copy. But let me tell you a short story. Some months ago, I sat down to run a campaign. I mean, not a flashy campaign as you may be thinking already, not trending dances on TikTok, not any form of paid advertising, just emails for my list of subscribers. I wrote, I tested, I adjusted, I built trust, one message at a time. In total, I sent 15,183 emails. 15,125 emails were delivered. That's about 99.6%. 16.9% of them were opened. That's about 2K real human beings who stopped what they were doing, saw my name, and chose to pay attention. And from that alone, guys, I had 204 clicks and about 26 direct messages inside of my WhatsApp chat system. All in 1 month, right? Now, pause for a moment. Do you realize what just happened here? No single TikTok virality, no billboards, no shouting, and of course, very importantly, no begging anyone to buy anything from me. Just a quiet, consistent system that worked like crazy. But the problem is, people don't talk about email marketing anymore because it is not as flashy as TikTok. It is not as flashy as Instagram. It is also not loud like TikTok and Instagram and every of these other online platforms. Email marketing isn't trendy, but very importantly, it is real. It is reliable, and it is still one of the highest converting digital marketing skills on the planet Earth. But I do understand your fears, obviously. What if nobody opens my emails when I write and send them? What if I don't know how to write a compelling copy? What if I don't know where to even get started from? Those are stuffs that stop people from even getting started in the first place. And honestly, email marketing used to be very hard. It used to require painful testing, painful hours of crafting, deep psychology and copywriting drills. But we are not actually in those eras anymore, because right now in this new era, AI is your writing partner. AI also is your brainstorming assistant. And very importantly to note, AI helps you generate headlines of any type, right? And of course, AI helps you craft sequences, email sequences that sounds more like you and not robotic or forceful. You don't have to stare at the screen for a long hour wondering, what exactly do I say? AI can help you build your entire campaign flow. It can help you build lead generation strategies simplified. It can help you segment your audiences and of course get them automated. It can help you write subject lines that are well optimized for conversion. It can also handle your copywriting, your follow-up sequences, and even your email analytics. All you've got to do is simply bring your voice to the table, your message to the table, and of course, very importantly, your email purpose. Email marketing today is less about complicated writing and more about understanding connections, because behind every inbox is a real human being, a human being who wants to be understood, a human being who wants clarity, a human being who wants nothing but solution to their problems. So when you understand all of that, email marketing stops being marketing. It becomes communication. It becomes relationship building, and it becomes community nurturing. And that's exactly why email marketing, I will repeat, is not dead. In fact, it is more alive than ever, because whilst the internet gets noisier every day, people are still craving a direct, a private and personal space where they can listen, and very importantly, where they can think. And guess what, guys? Their inboxes is still that space where they've got privacy and thinking ability. Now, this is the part where a lot of people get stuck. Obviously, they don't know how to start. They don't know how to get leads. They also don't know how to nurture them. They don't know how to write subject lines that make people stop scrolling and listen to them. And candidly, these are skills that can be learned, skills that can be mastered, skills that can pay you continuously. And inside our comprehensive digital marketing course, we didn't just teach email marketing, we taught email marketing with AI step by step in a way that even a complete beginner can plug in and start using immediately. But listen up, whether you join our community, our program or not, you need to take email marketing very seriously. Email marketing is one of the few digital skills that you can start from anywhere. Obviously, you can start email marketing from the comfort of your couch. You can build at your own pace. You can even sell any product with email marketing. You can use email marketing to create any level of income without dancing on TikTok, and of course without chasing trends. And if you're someone who's already practicing digital marketing, or you're aspiring to get in, or probably you're here because you want to actually make money from the internet space, then email marketing is not just a tool, it is a career, it is a path, and very importantly, it is a marketing asset for you. So here's what I want you to do immediately. Don't just watch this particular clip and move on. Take the step. Start building your email list. Start learning how to communicate. And of course, very importantly, start using AI to simplify your workflow. Start building something that lasts longer than TikTok trends or Meta trend, because digital marketing is moving fast, but people who succeed in this space are ones who build systems and not unnecessary hypes. If you found this particular clip valuable, kindly subscribe. Join our community of digital marketers who support each other and not compete. You can find the link to join the community in the description section. And please do stay around with us, because we go deeper than motivation on this particular channel. We teach skills, we build careers, we grow together. So once again, guys, email marketing is not dead. It is just waiting for you to wake up to what is still possible.